Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add bio on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're in your profile, locate the Edit Profile button, tap on it, and you'll easily find the bio option. So just click that row and write whatever you want to write in your bio. So you can include up to 150 characters of any text, URLs, or whatever you want to convey. For instance, I just want to add hello and click done once you're done, and that's it. That's how you can easily add a bio on Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!